Hi guys, so tonight I'm here in one of the apartment of a good friend of mine.
Yeah, busy bro. Like the last month was really busy.
I want to feature you one of my foreign friends. Hi guys, say hello to my channel. This is Simon from Germany. So we were saying hostel. And of course, we met here.
Because it wasn't a touristy place at all, you know, it was really like a proper Thai experience. So it was really nice. Hello.
From England. Hi guys.
What is it? This is like
we were here.
And like it's not you.
Wait. Does my back really look like? No, is it really that bad?
What is that?
Oh.
One more. Okay.
Yeah,
What's that?
Okay.
Hanover 96, right? Is it right?
Yeah.
Zaki. Oh, Zaki. Zaki.
I didn't do it myself though. It was a gift from my friends. They gave it for my birthday.
Okay.
It's our football team in my hometown. The best football team in Germany.
Okay, so guys, that's my friend. So I hope you guys will watch my video. I will show more foreign friends here. And Simon has also some YouTube. He's starting, and you can subscribe to him. Yeah, Vera, that's Nika, and Zaki, and Hamid is not yet here. So later, guys, I'm gonna feature more. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
So proud of being part of this video.
Yeah, thank you.
Like such an honor for
Please
me.
make. I feel like it's fun. Okay. You wanna jump there? I don't wanna jump. I only like this.
Let's see later.
Literally. Yes. Here we're just going to wait here. Good afternoon. Oo sir, nag-ano na kami sir. So we're here in Maasin River. So once again, I'm with Simon and some parents here. So we're going now, and let's see if take a look at that. Oh, so good.
Asa man ka tayo, ma'am?
Sir, Cebu.
Cebu? Asa man sa Cebu, ma'am?
Daan Bantayan.
Ay,
sa north.
North mo? Layo pa sa Cebu?
Oh, layo pa sir. Layo pa 4 hours away kung dili gayo traffic gikan sa city. Mao gyud ni ang giano namo sir gianhian bago na nakakuan ko kay.
Bago pa mo diri.
Amuan ning kuanan kay nindot man. Kaya gusto na mo ni ma-experience ang kani.
Ay, kaning boating. Nindot man ni ma'am.
Lagi sir. Tapos
karon hapon pwede na mo. May nakayo daghang tao dito sa
lagi.
Lagoon. Spring to ma'am. Ano kantuan to yung water.
Katong Secret Lagoon. Di ba sir?
Kantuan. Pwede mo dito maligo ana.
Oo.
Ay man sab dito taga picture. Picture lang mo dito sa ila.
Sige sir.
Ilan ka adlaw diri ma'am?
Ako sir, 8 days?
8 days.
Oh.
Tapos yun ni ma'am si sir.
Si Simon kay how many days you are now here?
I think I had 4 nights here before. And I will stay like 2 more weeks.
Oh, that's good. Nag 4 nights na daw siya, sir. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, right? You're going to stay for 2 weeks here?
Almost 3 weeks.
Oh.
Beautiful.
beautiful ride. Thanks for driving.
So we are the last for today. We were very late.
There's are more? Sir, no?
Until which time? Like, when is the last?
Oh, last.
Unsay oras sir last ani?
Unsa ma'am?
Unsay oras last ani nga mo close ni?
Ay, kuan ma'am, alas 5 gyud ma'am.
Oh.
Pero okay lang ma'am kay nakaanhi naman mo, pwede na mo bisag unay oras.
Dili man po may magdugay dito sa Secret Lagoon, sir.
Pwede na po gyapon.
So at 5 the last one starts.
Okay.
Na naman mo dire
nadugay man good Mr. kay nag-ulan ganina.
Oh, ma'am.
Kigihulat lang namo umakuan.
Oh, good ma'am.
We already have the moon. Like, look.
Oh, where? Yeah. So look at that.
Lunar.
Cause it's lunar, New Year. Watch out.
Tapos naman nag-island.
Oh, tapos na mi, sir?
Maurag yun ni, lantor.
Oh, kanina lang ang wala pa. Kani mo extend pa man ni siya, so daghan pa ni siya adtuan. May motorbike man po siya girentahan. Ako mauna na kong exit sa Sunday. Kay work na. Oh, there's some swing. Look at that. And there.
Subscribe. Nindot tiri among kuan tuyog kanang bomba.
Buntag, sir?
Dili.
Oops.
Ma'am, kayo pagkapos po sila kayo po susunod pang maligo.
Ay, sorry, sir. Pero magtanaw na mi, sir. Okay lang? Oh, di pa man magligo, sir.
Si first come to support dito.
Okay. We're just going to look. There. Waiting area. Let's go here in waiting area. Because it's praying. If you wanna swim there, we have to wait for the others first. First come, first serve. Yeah, we're just going to take.
Do you want to swim?
I would think so.
Mas gan, mas nindot sir, nakatingin lata sir para pag floating nato sir. Mas natural nindot ng tawag niya. Okay.
If you want.
Okay. You want? You want? Go on, sir. Sir.
I have.
For you.
Uy, tanawa. Yol. Tagay na sila.
Do you have? I have.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that one.
Nice to meet you. How you say?
Perfect. Right, sir? Yes. Thank you.
Wait, look some people.
Bayi na kan.
How you say?
Buko.
Oh, yeah. So.
Look how it sounds. Sounds different than the other one.
Yeah.
It doesn't have this sound.
Maybe it's still really young. It's so young. How does it taste? The water?
Very sweet.
Yeah. I think that's the different variety because that one is a different variety too. And you know guys, they have also sustainable, that one. It's made from bamboo, the straw. So no plastics here.
Very good.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
3, go.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done.
If you want a photographer, we have
Thank you. Thank you for driving us. Hello. Subscribe to my channel. So, balik nami kay pila lang ka. Buntag, sir? Udto. Ha? Dulom? Aw. Makita na to ang fireflies. The water is not cold when I dip. You wanna swim there, Simon?
I will decide later.
Yeah, we can just take photos there.
But I think I don't want to jump because
Yeah,
our friend Zaki has hurt himself.
that's right. Just be safe. Sige sir, galagi. Oh, may picture kami dito sir, dili mo jump. Lagi. We're just going to take photos there. We're not going to jump. So, Maasim River. Oo, dito manglimpyo. Gani, magbanlaw. Lagi. Maudi ay. Okay man pud kayo kay nindot ang kuha. Nature kaayo siya. it's better here if it's dark because you can see fireflies. There are many fireflies here. Next na mo, sir. Kung asa mi maka ano, sir? Kaabot ani ron.
Dito na lang mo sa secret beach.
Sarado na, sir, pagka ano? Sayo sila magsarado?
Dili, ma'am. Bisag doon dito among uklan.
Pila ka ang sa oras? Hasta?
Bisag unay oras dito among.
Gahapon, sir, sarado sila, sir?
Ay, sarado sila kahapon.
Oo.
Dito ta ba dito ka?
Oo.
Naay may pagyapo dito fireflies. Tapos kanang sa tubig nga ni ma'am.
Oo.
Siga.
Luminous?
Oo, luminous. Dito tayo.
Padto na ang punig secret beach, ano?
Siguro na private.
Private mo dito, sir?
Private.
Lagi.
Itong sa una, kwanto open lang.
I-close nila ang katong dapit. Pero naman ko na yung masudlan. Wala lang may kabalo kung asa to. Naalay beach dito nga open. Tagkan may nindot dari nga lugar, sir. Pinaka the best ang Sohoton Cove. Nakadto na ko gahapon. Sugbalagon gahapon kato daing last Miyerkules nagpa Sohoton Cove ko. Sohoton Cove, sir. Nindot kayo.
Nindot dito, ma'am. May kayo. Predestination nga ko dito, ma'am.
Oo.
Ano ka adtuan nimo?
Lagi.
What is this food? There's not fruit only here in Bisaya is sabon-sabon. 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 Ang imong kuano na, ma'am. Kanang dukdukon.
May sabon? May sabon siya, sir?
Murag sabon siya, ma'am, na mubula.
Sir, mao man na ang ginagamit nila dito nga sabon, sir. Kung mao gina siya ang kanang kuan.
Mao?
Importante kayo na kay kani? Oh, wow, really?
Oo.
Wow. Kana siya, sir. Pwede na siya pang hugas sa mga kuan, pinggan. Mo na ang kanang ginahimo nga chemicals nga pampabula. Natural nga sabon. It's a natural lather. Lagi wala ra man sa tuwa, sir, takabalo.
Pag kanang buyak na ba siya? Kay kanang buyak niya, ma'am, naa sa tubig.
Magbula-bula.
Tubig ba?
Ay, kanindot.
Murag kuan siya, murag jellyfish ba? Ana. Ay karon dili niya
Season niya. Mao man ang ginahimo sa kuan, sabon. Para mubula.
Ani sabon, mao ni ang nipa.
Nipa. Okay. To use this one for a roof. Roof. That one.
Ay prutas na, ma'am, makaon pud, ma'am.
Lagi, sir, ato prutas niya.
Nindot na. Kaunon murag butong, ma'am.
Wow, wa pa ko katry ana, sir.
Nindot na, ma'am. Murag butong. Ang iyang flavor ba? Tapos
coconut.
Kanang mapalit nimo kanang garapon.
Mahal ra ba?
Kulay ba sa kanang salad?
Oo. Kaong ay, sir. Kabalo ko ana, lami na. Lami.
Tapos na ako kanang kuan, ma'am, wild.
Wild.
Kanang wine niya. May na.
Ginahimo siya wine.
Napod yapon wine. Kanang katas niya.
Oo.
Wow. Hindi na murag tuba ba? Sa kuan. Lubit.
Sila na lang tong last, sir?
Mao lang to last ma'am.
Oh, kay dili na maano. Di na ka-accommodate.
Mao na to pinaka-last. Ay napakanit karon na mga oras.
Lagi. Nagdali-dali jud mi sir kay mao ba ning ganahan namo? Kaning mag-buting-buting.
Ay naay uban nga di nagyud maapas ugma na lang sila.
Gani.
Indot gani pag anhin ninyo.
May gani timing ra gyud lagi sir. Paspas gani min ko magpaspas ang taan eh. We got lucky because we're not the only last one.
Yeah. So cool.
Yeah.
I'm liking the sounds here.
Like the water sound.
Yeah, I mean, but also from this, like the animals.
Yes.
It's very good.
Oo.
Ay kung kuan mo kanang alas 12 kung na tao dito crowded na.
Lagi.
Di mo makatarong og bildo.
Maujud. Pero dili ang may magligo gid dira, sir? Dili gid may magligo.
Diha?
Oo.
Pwede na pud gyapon ma'am. Pwede na.
Tugnaw na.
Picture mo. Picture lang.
Picture lang mi, sir, oh.
Sulat lang mo kay parking sa
Okay, sir.
picture lang mo.
Sige.
Pwede na mo sulit-sulit ko gyapon.
Oo. I-promote mo na mo ni sir. Promote the Maasim River in Siargao. Oo, wala na bagyuhan, di manindot gid kay kita na ko ni Sir Clear makay ni.
Kuan ni ma'am, daghan kayo lubi ba?
Lagi. Ay na nga bali.
Uban nga balik naman.
Oh.
Wala na, talag ka na lang.
Sige lang mo, kuan ra na sila.
Balik ka na.
Oo.
Ito, KJ po isa. Ayan. Text. Text. Do.
Kapag mo lang i-delete.
Okay. Huh? You first. Careful. Okay.
Thank you. You could just for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Ito anihan diri ang buntag ug hapon.
Oo.
Kay kung kuan mo kanang alas 12 daghan na tao dito crowded na. Hindi mo makatarong building.
Pero dili ang mag-video dira, sir? Dili mag-video.
Diha? Oo. Pwede na po Japon, ma'am. Pwede naman mo mag-picture. Picture lamang mo diha. Oo. Gulat lang mo kay mo parking sa kuwang kuwan.
Okay, sir.
Ni ma'am, daghan kayo lubi ba?
Lagi.
Ay kadang uban nga balik naman. Wala na, talagsa na lang.
Sige na mo, wanda na sila.
Kasi mo balik daw na ma'am.
Oo.
Puhon. Kabalik lang po. Ito, si Jay po isa. Text.
The first one's this.
Dogia! I don't bring any food with me. I know. Oh no. Hello.
Something, but I also don't have
Don't you have anything? Hello.
Maybe we should do it like the French guy here.
Oh no, don't do that.
What?
That's not good.
I sit there next to them 20
So guys, it's my last night here in Siargao. So I hung out with some new friends. John, right?
Yeah, we're drinking Ballantine straight out of the bottle.
From America.
Yeah. From
I'm
Alabama,
awesome.
baby. I'm old. An old friend.
And of course, my lovely friend Mika, as always. And you know, guys, what I like? They have a really cute. Take a look at this one. And rice. So they have some tilapia.
No. I don't know. No.
I don't know, but it's
not
kind of.
tilapia.
I don't know what that kind
like a
of.
sea bream.
So they have. Yeah,
It has teeth.
And this cute little. What's this one? Caldero. I don't know what to say in English. It's caldero, guys. I wanna take it at home.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sweet.
And they're happy with
You don't
their.
even know how to fit this and that. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Oh,
You will eat the big. I want to hold him by his nail. Just, I'm not going to get my finger in his mouth.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
His jaw fell off. Here, this will look good funny.
1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Okay, good.
I want a selfie.